Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Confidence, the place where you can learn English fast and easy. In today's video, we'll show you how to master basic English conversations quickly. These simple tips and phrases will help you start speaking English right away, even if you're a beginner. So, let's jump in and get started. 1. Start with simple greetings. The best way to begin any conversation is with a simple greeting. Start by practicing these common phrases. Hi, hey, a casual and friendly way to greet someone. How are you? A common question to ask how someone is feeling. I'm fine, thank you. A simple response to, how are you? Good morning. A polite greeting in the morning. These phrases are used in almost every conversation, so start by mastering them. 2. Practice asking basic questions. Asking questions is a great way to keep a conversation going. Let's practice a few easy ones. What's your name? A simple way to get to know someone. Where are you from? A question to ask about someone's origin. What do you do? A way to ask about someone's job or occupation. Do you like activity? A great way to talk about hobbies or interests. Asking questions shows you're interested in the other person, and it helps you keep the conversation flowing. 3. Keep responses short and simple. When you respond, try to keep your answers clear and easy to understand. Here are some examples. Yes, I do. A simple way to agree or answer positively. No, I don't. A clear way to disagree or answer negatively. I like it. A short response to show you enjoy something. I don't understand. If you need clarification, this is a good phrase to use. Short responses help you practice speaking quickly and clearly. 4. Learn to introduce yourself. Introducing yourself is a key part of any conversation. Here's a simple way to do it. My name is your name. I'm from your country. I work as your job. Practice introducing yourself in different ways. This will help you start conversations with confidence. 5. Use everyday vocabulary. The more words you know, the easier it is to speak. Here are some basic words you'll use every day. See, food, bread, rice, water, salad, colors, red, blue, green, black, end time, morning, afternoon, evening, night, weather, sunny, rainy, cold, warm. Start using these words in your conversations to make your speaking more natural. 6. Use common phrases for daily situations. Here are some phrases you'll use in everyday situations, making conversations flow easily. How's the weather today? A great way to talk about the weather. Can I help you? A polite phrase when offering assistance. I'm sorry. A simple apology when you make a mistake. Thank you. A polite way to show gratitude. These phrases will help you feel more comfortable in various situations. 7. Focus on pronunciation. To sound more natural, focus on your pronunciation. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and try to imitate them. For example, hello. Make sure you say it clearly. Hello. How are you? Practice saying it smoothly and quickly. How are you? Thank. Focus on saying thank with a soft the sound. Thank you. Clear pronunciation helps people understand you better and makes your speech sound more natural. 8. Practice daily with simple conversations. Now, the best way to master these conversations quickly is through daily practice. Even if you only have 5 minutes a day, practice saying these phrases out loud. So, find a conversation partner to practice with. Use language apps that let you practice with native speakers. Or record yourself to check your pronunciation and fluency. The more you practice, the faster you'll improve. 9. Stay confident and keep it simple. Remember, the key to mastering English conversations is confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep the conversation simple. The more you speak, the easier it will get. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's how you learn. Just keep practicing. With practice, your skills will improve quickly. Confidence and practice will help you speak English faster and more effectively. And that's it for today's video on how to master basic English conversations fast. By practicing these tips every day, you'll improve your speaking skills and start having conversations in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.